Hello students, today we are going to focus how to find out lone pairs and bond pairs of electrons in any inorganic molecules or ions. So now if you want to find out lone pairs and bond pairs, you need to have clarity on 2 points. What are those? Group number of the central atom and bonded atom's valency. Is it clear? So now I want to show you here group numbers. Here you see this group numbers. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You all know 1a 2a to 8a. Have you got it? So valency of these groups, if you check once, here you can see this 1a group 1 valency, they can form 1 bond. 2a group they can form 2 bonds. 3a group they can form 3 bonds. 4a 4. But whereas coming to the 5 to 8a groups, here group number minus 8 minus group number we have to do. So then you will get its valency. Nitrogen can form what? 3 bonds, 2 bonds, 1 bond, 0 bond. So first you need to have a simple idea on this. Group number of the central atom and valency of the bonded atoms. Is it clear? Right. Now you take this example. So xenon difluoride. So xenon atomic number you all know very well are nothing but a group number 8. That's what here I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. Bonded atom valency. Atom is fluorine. Fluorine belongs to 7a group. 7a group elements valency 1. That means they can form 1 bond. So with 1 electron it can form 1 sigma bond, with another electron another sigma bond. So remaining how many here lone pairs are there? So 2 electrons bonded with 2 fluorines. Here remaining 6 electrons. 6 electrons means 1 pair, lone pair, second lone pair, third lone pair. 3 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. You have to calculate like this. Have you got it? Next, coming to the second example, PO4 minus 3. Here we need to have some clarity. What is that? Phosphorus belongs to 5a group. So 5a group means 5 electrons I have written up to here. Next, it has a charge minus 3. Minus 3 means I added 3 electrons. Here 1, 2, 3. Total, how many electrons? Total 8 electrons. Is it clear? So now bonded atoms, what bonded atom is what? Oxygen. What is its valency? 2. It can form, 1 oxygen can form 2 bonds. So total 8 electrons in the phosphorus. That means phosphorus has 5 valency electron, charge minus 3. Minus 3 means 3 electrons. Total 8 electrons. Here 4 oxygens are there. Each oxygen can form 2 bonds. One is sigma, one is pi. One is sigma, one is pi, like that. So if you take total here 0 lone pairs. Have you got it? 0 lone pairs. LP 0. LP means lone pair. 8 bond pairs. We have to do it like this. Have you got it? So now coming to the next one. In this next one, NO2 minus. If you take NO2, here nitrogen belongs to 5a group. That means it will have how many electrons in the valency? In its valency shell, 5 electrons. And it has minus charge. That means 1 electron we added. 5 plus 1, 6 electrons in the nitrogen in this molecule. So now next you take oxygen, bonded atom oxygen. Each oxygen can form 2 bonds. You know, you have seen that valency of oxygen, 6a group elements. Here 2 bonds. How many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens. This is oxygen 1 and oxygen 2. Each oxygen can form 2 bonds. One is sigma and one pi. So now after that, here total 4 electrons involving in the 4 bonds with 2 oxygens. 1 lone pair remaining here. So 1 lone pair and 4 bond pairs present. Have you got it? So next you can answer this question. ClO minus. number of lone pairs and bond pairs present in this ion. Have you got it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So your like motivates to do more videos. Thanks for watching.